Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge X40 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation. You need to start by opening Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate shortcut and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now black. That means that auto rotation is disabled. In order to enable it, tap on the same icon again. If you wish to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and access Display section. In it, scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!